Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the chords to What You Won't Do for Love by Bobby Caldwell on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E 440. However, I had to tune slightly sharp in order to play along with the original recording. So if you intend to play along with the original song, you'll need to tune sharp as well. We'll start with the intro of the song, in which we'll play these chords. The chord shapes that I used were an F minor 7 formed this way. I'm borrowing everything from the A string down at fret 8, bringing in the middle finger to the B string at fret 9 and the ring finger to the D string at fret 10 for an F minor 7. I'll play a C minor 7 with the same form here at fret 3. I'll then need a D7 sharp 9 formed this way. I'm going to play that by placing a finger on the D string, fret 4, the A string, fret 5, the G string, fret 5, and the B string, fret 6. We'll play a D flat major 7 this way. I'm borrowing fret 4 from the A string down, bringing in the ring finger to fret 6 on the D string, fret 5 on the G string, and fret 6 on the B string. And I'm borrowing everything, so I'm going to get that high E string with my index finger. We'll play a G flat 13 this way. For that G flat 13 on the low E string, I'm using my thumb to play fret 2. You can leave that thumb out if you can't reach that. And we're going to go down here to the D string and play fret 2, the G string fret 3, the B string fret 4, and the high E string fret 4. That's really all we need right there. But if you want that low note, you'll have to play that. We'll need an F minor 7 by just borrowing fret 1 from the D string down. And we'll play a B flat major chord by borrowing fret 3 as far as the D, G, and B string are concerned. So we're going to play like that. That's our B flat chord. Here's the entire thing again. Now throughout the song, we'll play these chords to play the verses. We'll start with the D flat major 7, C minor 7, F minor 7, and then we'll play a D minor 7 flat 5 like this. In order to play that chord, we're borrowing fret 1 from the G string down and playing the D string open. Here's what we'll be playing for the verses. We'll be repeating that. Our strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up. And every now and then, we might mimic the keyboard by going to our B flat chord and moving to our F minor 7, like this. And that'll sound like this. Now later on in the song, we might add some accents using double stops like this. Or, now what I'm doing is I'm playing the B and high E string, just holding them down at fret 6, sliding up to fret 8, and coming back, and then going to fret 4, sliding up to fret 6 and coming back. So that might sound like this. Later on in the song, we'll need to play the pre-chorus. We'll play the pre-chorus the same way that we did the intro, except we'll strum it differently. It'll be strummed this way. Well, all right. That's how I play the chords to What You Won't Do for Love by Bobby Caldwell on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.